Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to the TV room. David Bradley here. Yes, your host. So I went downstairs because I couldn't find anything here that looked worthy. And it's funny how Phillips screws are the same, and yet they are different. So I found this little multi-head thing here. So, I'm gonna pop this out, see if this fits in here better. Wow, I cannot possibly have stripped the head. I cannot. There's just no way. Huh. Alright, well, don't drop things. So we're going to take out the T10 and put in this other bit that is quite a bit bigger. Does seem to fit well. I think. At least it did. I'm going to apply tremendous pressure, tremendous force. Oh my God. I can't believe I've had so much trouble just getting this thing out. I can't believe it. All I want to do is figure out this disk drive. That's all. Alright, I'm changing bits again. Oh my God. Doesn't want to come. I wonder if there's already almost pre-stripped. Because I mean, I just leaned on it a little, twisted it a little. Trying another bit. This is getting beyond. Oh yeah, it looks like the head is just destroyed. I just don't get this. I've never. Well, as my brother used to say, at times, when dealing with difficult car issues, call the scrapper. How? How can this thing have gotten so messed up? I'm going to lift the shield a bit. See if I can convince this thing that it should come loose. Certainly, if I ever get this screw out, it's never going back in. But I don't think I'm ever going to get it out. I mean, if I reach over here, and I go into this bin, I have in here, oh no, a flashlight that makes noises. I have in here some pretty beastly pliers. Hey, did that turn? Or was it just me thinking that it turned? I don't know. Alright. This screw, I don't know if you can see that, it's never going back in to there. Ever. Never, ever, 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 ever. Hallelujah. Alright. I didn't think that would come. Okay, there's a T10, and then I have these other multi-bit things. I'm going to put them back into their the holder here. There, but I'm going to keep that up here. All right. Shaboom. The shield is off. Oh, there's a sticker in here. It says March 292. Lovely. Lovely. All right. Well, so do I go for the board or the drive? I think I'm going to go for the board. So everything is unplugged. There are 7 screws. To get the board off. There's 3. There's 4. 3 on the near side. 1 on the upper side and the far side. 1 in the back corner. Not the back corner, the back middle, kind of. And then I'll turn this up, not drop it. It's fastened on the sides, or on the side. All right. Come on. 6 and oh, no, you don't. No, you don't. You are not going to beat me. 7. Okay. All right. So, unplug the power. Unplug the read-write head. Unplug all these other connectors. And set it over here. All right, finally. Put the board down. Plug in the power connector. Ugh. And then I'll put a couple of screws into this. To make sure that I don't run into any other slipperiness or foolishness due to slipperiness. Okay. Okay, come on. Why? Okay. Loosen the screw. Push the board forward. Okay. There we go. Okay. All right, so if you remember from long ago, this is a circuit board. It was from the disk drive, where the disk didn't spin. And I have been trying to get it isolated onto another drive. That's working to see what's what. So I'm going to turn this on. Okay. The drive is spinning. Okay, we're going to type in new. Just for fun, nothing is in here now. I'm going to just ask it for a directory. It goes and looks, and it can't find anything. Okay, so now we put a disk in. We move back up. Loading. List. Okay. We'll load the program 1. This is, of course, the disk torturing program. It is, and we'll ask it to run this one time. We shall. So it is now formatting the disk. So more and more and more and more and more, this is telling me that what we have here is a drive mechanical failure. Anyway, we certainly don't need to sit and watch this go through this process. So, I'm going to stop recording. I'm going to let this run through its thing. I'm going to hunt for the other Neutronics disk drive that is here somewhere in a padded bag, because it may be transplant time, but I'm still not sure. Anyway, thanks for coming. Have a lovely, lovely day. By the way, all we've done right now is in isolating, we are now showing that this circuit board is in fact working and functional. There, it is. It is opening a file. It's going to write data. It's going to read data. Da, 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 da. All right, that's it for now. See you again. Have a lovely, lovely day. Bye for now.